Good day, you are welcome to another edition of Sharing Trade Information on the Global Trade Tutor. In today's video and in this series of video, my focus will actually be on German market. German market is a very big market, and for what you can see on the screen, you will notice that German market actually imported goods worth about $1.5 trillion in 2022. So in this series of video, I'll be talking about different things that the German market import. And for you in any part of the world, you are looking at exporting, this will give you an idea of what you should be looking at exporting to Germany. From the data available on what German market import, the largest import of Germany is petroleum gas. And this is followed by cars. And this is followed by parts of cars. This is followed by crude petroleum, that's crude oil. This is followed by refined petroleum. This is followed by vaccine. This is followed by packaged drugs and a host of others. But to see that the demand in this market is $1.5 trillion means this is a market you want to be. You know, the largest is the US in terms of import, followed by China, and we've done those two. If you are just joining, you can check the previous session of the playlist on that on our YouTube channel, Global Trade Tutor and Voice of African Trade. And then in this series, we're looking at the German market. Now, this is the last item of import I'll be talking about in this country called Germany. But there's something I'm noticing about Germany. Germany, to a very large extent, is self-sufficient and dependent as far as arms and ammunition are concerned. It's amazing despite the billions of dollars worth of budget of German government for arms and ammunition for defense. Do you know that just $0.5 billion, that's about $564 billion, is being used for weapons import, weapons import, weapons import? That's impressive. There is less dependence of this country on external factors, allies, friends, to be able to defend themselves. 50% of the import of German, as far as weapon is concerned, include explosives. Weapon parts and accessories constitute 19.2%. Spring, air, and gas gun constitute 11.9%. Other firearms, 9.77%. Other firearms, 9.77%. Military weapons, 3.14%. Handguns, 3.13%. Bladed weapon, 2.55%. So at the end of the day, this country is spending very small amount, less than $1 billion. And sincerely, like I said, this is very, very impressive. Less than $1 billion to import different weapons and artillery from different parts of the world, because the country produced quite a number of this ammunition itself. And the homegrown solution to their defense, we make them to be independent so that when they need to do something, no country is saying, we're not going to send weapons to you. If we give you weapons, this is what you must do with it. If you fail to do it, then you will not get another support from us. Germany have removed itself from the league of countries that will be controlled on the kind of fight they should take up. All right, thank you very much for staying to the end of this video, and of course, gone through different products that the German market import. Thank you very much, and bye for now.